Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well and keeping safe. Today I will be filming for you this whole look and these amazing soft glam eyes, and literally it's just gonna be a chit chat, so let's get straight into this.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
So I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'm going to use my Brow by Benefit to do this. Go in with my Got To Be and my spoolie. So that's what I'm going to do with my brows, and now I'm going to go in with my eyes. I'm so excited because this is like a summery, like soft, glammy kind of vibe. I feel like it's been a while since I've done sort of a smoky eye. So I'm going to go in with my Jaclyn Hill palette first, and I'm going to go in with the shade Thick Skin. And if you've noticed, I'm not gone in with any concealer or any base, and that's just because I don't want that to take away the colour. Now I'm going to go in with Comfort Zone. Now I just want to add some brown to this, so I'm going to go in with my Master palette by Mario, and I'm going to go in with the shade Violetta, and I'm just going to focus this on the edges and then take it into the crease. And now I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and just make sure it's all nicely blended together. Now from the same palette, so by the Anastasia palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Marina, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this product. Now using the softer blending brush, I'm just going to blend the edges. Now the twist to this look is the liner. So I'm going to go in with a nice soft pink liner. To use this, I'm going to use the shade Tickle from the Huda Beauty Nude palette. So pick up the shadow, tap it away, and then draw your line out. And now I'm going to just go in with my liquid matte. So I'm going in with the shade Save the Queen, which is my NARS liquid matte. And honestly, it's such a beautiful shade. And I'm literally just using that same brush. Just going to use a Q-tip now to just clean and pull the liner out. And now to finish the eye off, I am going to literally add the slightest amount of shimmer. I'm going to add the colour Drama Queen from the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm just going to clean up the eyes and put some lashes on. So the eyes are done, and I've gone in with my TL4 lashes by Tati, and now I'm going to start on my base. And obviously it's so hot, so I don't really want to be wearing a lot of makeup. Not that I wear it for that long anyway when I'm doing this, but I'm still going to go in with my Elizabeth Arden 8 Hour Cream. So guys, what have you been doing during this crazy heat wave that we're experiencing right now? Like, it's mad. Honestly, I just think it's so hot. Like, you can't even go out and enjoy yourselves properly. Like, for me, I think it's so different. Like, when you're on holiday and you have this much heat, you can still enjoy yourself because you can still go to the beach and just relax and bum around all day in your resort and basically not do anything, but you're still relaxing. Whereas I feel like in the city it's so much harder. Like, you just can't do that, and I feel it just feels so much more hotter in London compared to like elsewhere. So I'm gonna go in with my iconic dewy drops because I want this look to be quite glowy, quite summer friendly. So even though today I'm going to be wearing foundation, I'm going to still keep it quite minimal. Now the reason why I like adding these drops before my foundation is because it literally just gives such a nice dewy finish to your skin and just makes it look nice and glowy. So the foundation that I'm going in with today is my L'Oreal True Match, and I'm not even color correcting my skin. Like, I just want to keep it really minimal with the amount of product that I'm wearing. And now I'm just going to go in with my foundation brush and just push this into my skin. now I'm going to go in with my concealer. So I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape. One question that I do have, guys, which I would really like to hear your opinions on, is what do you feel? I know that there are quite a few people that are now starting to go back on holiday again, and that's amazing for them. I would honestly love to go on holiday, but I'm still quite paranoid, and the fact that we have Ava, I feel like I personally still don't feel comfortable like going away somewhere. What about you guys? What about other mums out there? Like, what are your thoughts? And I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury and just set my under eyes. And then I like to go in with my Banana Bread by Huda Beauty. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender for this. I'm not going to go in with cream contour today. I'm literally just going to go in with powder, just because once again I want to keep the products quite minimal on my skin. I'm just going to use my Hoola from Benefit. I'm not going to go in with a liquid blush today. I'm literally just going to go in with my NARS Orgasm. Guys, one of the tips when you're applying blusher, honestly, to get that sort of diffused, flawless vibe of your blusher, you should take it up quite close to your under eye. So when I'm doing it, I'm literally taking it like that. I'm stroking it quite into my skin, if that makes sense. Taking it quite down, not too down, because you don't want it to go below where your contour is. And then just slightly on your nose. It just gives you that sun-kissed vibe. Just before I go back in, I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury and just buff everything into my skin. So I'm just going to put some highlight on. Of course, I'm going to go in with my iconic Dewy drops, and then once I've done that, I like to just go in with my Amorizy. So the base is actually done. Now, just to finish my eyes off, I'm literally just going to go in with the shade Tickle and Teddy from the Huda Beauty palette, which are two like very soft pinky nudie browns. So guys, this is the finished look, and I went in with my lips, I went in with a few shades. So I did mix it with Original Pink that I used on my eyes by NARS, and I also mixed it with Poet, which is my Anastasia lipstick, and then I also just went in with a bit of my Coral Gloss, and this is in the shade Amber, just to sort of tone down like the brightness of the pink. So I really hope you have enjoyed watching this tutorial, and for all my bridesmaids and all the flower girls, this is definitely one of your go-to looks, I feel anyway, for having just like a soft flawless base. And with the eyes, totally optional, but I think it's a really nice way to add a touch of pink without it being overpowering. So I really hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching, guys.